I'm going to make a dish so precious with the Bengali community that recreating this will rock your senses. Unfortunately, this fish breeds only in the Gangetic Basin, but it is available everywhere. Yes, this is the famous tail koi. Tail means oil and koi means fish, and this koi fish is a star here. This recipe calls for a bit more oil, but I control the oil as much as possible. In this video, you will find information behind the famous saying, koi machher pran, or koi doesn't die that easily. Let's dive deep in, but you might be wondering why I'm driving the car. Yesterday, my friend had a dream, a wild dream. He dreamt about a recipe of a fish. But by dreaming, he knew that the recipe is very tasty and delicious. So he asked me to come over and cook it for him. But let us begin with the fun, where he started dreaming. Why is there a Bengali term koi machher pran and lives extended even out of water for a longer time? Just wait for the answer. Meanwhile, let's start the recipe. For 1 kg koi, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili, 3 tablespoons jeera dhania powder, 3 tablespoons dry red chili, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, few green chili, 1 medium onion paste, 2 medium tomato diced. Koi fish has a labyrinth organ in its head which enables the fish to gulp air at the land surface and extract oxygen. That is the reason of the famous Bengali saying, koi machher pran. As I pour mustard oil on the pan, there are many, but can you state one major favorable property of mustard oil? We'll provide the answer soon. Keep watching the exciting recipe. Earlier, I marinated the koi with turmeric and salt for 30 minutes. The oil is heated up, and I now put all koi fish one by one in the oil. After 3 minutes, I turn all the fish and let it fry for 3 more minutes on the other side. You can fry for a more period, then you have to let the koi stay in the gravy for a longer time to absorb the flavor and spices from the gravy. Now, in the same oil, I add onion paste, I stir and wait for 5 minutes and add the red chili ginger garlic paste. Meanwhile, I would let it cook for 5 more minutes until oil separates. To reveal about the most sought after benefit of mustard oil is that it contains omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. These are extremely beneficial for heart health. While cooking continues, I am adding diced tomato, jeera dhania powder, Kashmiri red chili. Then goes in salt. I pour in some hot water, stir and cover it to cook on medium flame. I open the lid after 5 minutes and then I add all the fried koi fish one by one in the gravy. I use a small spoon to rotate some gravy on top of the fish for more absorption of spice and aroma. I again cover for 5 minutes. Finally, I open the lid and the tail koi is fully cooked and ready. Hope you enjoyed the quick recipe with some facts and fun. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Bye bye. Tata.